Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Linya F. Pano. I am 35 years old. I am a single mother. I have one daughter and she's already 17 years old. I am in the sixth among seven siblings of my family and I am school graduate. As my working experience, I work in Kuwait since July 2017 until August 2019. There's five members of the family, two elders and three adults. My duties and responsibilities are general cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, cooking, gardening, washing the car, and taking care of their pet. I work also in Qatar since January 2020 until August 2022. There's five members of the family, two adults and three children ages 6 years old, 1 year old, and newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities are general cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, cooking, preparing the food for the 6 years old child, preparing her uniform, and send her to school. I prepare also the food of the 1 year old infant, preparing the milk of the 1 year that newborn baby. But most of the time, I'm taking care of the children, especially the 1 year old and the newborn baby. I'm currently also working here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. There's 11 members of the family, two elders, four adults, and five children. My duties and responsibilities are general cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, cooking, but most of the time I'm taking care of the children, especially the 1 year old baby. Dear mom and sir, if you hire me, I will promise that I will do my best to do all household chores, especially cooking, general cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, taking care of your children as my own, and taking care of the elderly if there's help, taking care of your pet. I am also a hardworking, trustworthy, kind, honest, and polite. I will hope to see you soon, Mom and Sir. Thank you and God bless.